band. You're gonna have it around your wrist or forearms. You're gonna go back up to a wall. Pull your belly button in towards your spine to make sure your abdominals are engaged. You're then gonna rotate your wrist into the band and you're gonna hold that taut. So as much as you can, try to keep your wrists and your elbows lined up with each other. So just making sure you're not like this, they're lined up with each other. And then from here, you're gonna start to move your hands up overhead, back behind you, really working on trying to pull those elbows in and those wrists apart, and then back down. All right, so a couple of points I want you to watch with this. Try to maintain that pull apart as you go up overhead. And number two, watch your shoulders. So I don't want you to compromise bringing your shoulders up towards your ears to get up higher. It's less important how high up you go and more important that you just maintain that pull apart with your wrists and try to draw your elbows in together.